Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use OneNote's math features. This powerful tool lets you solve equations, explore different mathematical formulas, and work through problems efficiently, all within your digital notebook. Let's dive right in and see how you can make the most of these features. First, start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once you're in, take a moment to ensure everything is properly loaded and ready to go. This is important because you want to make sure all your pages and sections are accessible before you begin working with math equations. Once your notebook has been loaded, you'll need to locate the specific page where you want to display or add the math problems you wish to work on. Navigate through your notebook and find the appropriate page. This could be a dedicated math section or any page where you need to insert equations. When you've found the right spot, it's time to enable the math function. To activate OneNote's math features, simply hold your Alt key and press equals. You'll notice that the insert function now displays a field that states type equation here. This is your workspace for entering mathematical expressions. Go ahead and type in your equation directly into this field. OneNote will recognize the mathematical notation and prepare it for further manipulation. Once you've added your equation, you'll notice something new appear on your screen. A new tab will be added to the top part of your interface labeled Equation. This tab is your gateway to all of OneNote's mathematical capabilities. Click on this Equation tab to reveal the various math solutions and tools available to you. This is where OneNote truly shines in helping you work with mathematical content. After clicking on the Equation tab, you'll see several math solutions presented before you. Look for the Equation drop-down menu, which contains a wealth of mathematical formulas and theorems. When you click on this drop-down, you can transpose your problem in different ways and access various mathematical templates. You'll find options such as area of circle, binomial theorem, expansion of a sum, Fourier series, Pythagorean theorem, quadratic formula, and many more specialized formulas. Simply choose any of these mathematical formulas and theorems that fit your needs. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to apply standard mathematical frameworks to your problems instantly, saving you time and ensuring accuracy in your calculations. Whether you're a student working through homework or a professional solving complex equations, these built-in formulas make your work much more efficient. And that's it. You now have access to OneNote's powerful math features that can help you solve equations and work with various mathematical concepts right in your notebook. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.